Hey guys, this is Abdul and today we are here to clean Arshdeep's car. You can see how dirty it looks. And say hi Arshdeep.
Hi guys, I'm Arshdeep Singh. So here we are going to wash our car. Because of this, our car gets a little dirty. Because the salt on the roads looks pretty dirty right now. Here's the automatic car wash. So I'm going to tell you how it works. So we're gonna put $2 coins in it, and we can choose one of the option right here. And whatever we choose, it's gonna give us some minutes, and then we can just wash our car. We will show you how we do it. We are hanging over our mats right now, and we're showing you what we do next.
Hello guys, so it's around 12 o'clock in the night. We are in Malton, and I'll show you the view from. It's really cold outside. I think it's -2 or something. That's some good beer if you want to have some. That's Arshdeep. His car that looks dirty as hell. And these are his mats. And now we are ready.
What? What? Oh my god, the wrong thing. Alright, guys. I don't know what's going on here. What the fuck is going on here? Okay guys, we are about to put in one more coin. Wait. $2, where's $2? We have to put one more coin in it. Oh, you put $1 here. There you go. Give the camera, start with it. Clean, go. So you have your time in there? No, hold here. Cheating? But there comes the foam, man. You're lying on camera? Good. Get it here on the front board.
Good, get it here on the front board. But like मुझे समझ नहीं आया पा English ही क्यों लग रहा है? Like we can speak Punjabi also, right? चंगी तरह.
I don't know who's our audience right now.
So like we can speak Hindi, Punjabi, English.
French,
I can't speak French, but he can speak French. If you want to listen to his French.
I just know
So
the
like
language.
when you put money inside there, you have a timer that goes up there. So he has 1 minute and 45 seconds to use as much as he can and wipe it all over the place. After which the brush would stop dispensing the soap. So yeah. The only drawback that I am feeling right now is that it's cold and we made a stupid mistake. He's in slippers, I'm in slippers, Crocs. And it's freezing outside. Actually, what the hell are you doing, man? You'll break your wipers.
Thanks, brother.
Go. Your time is gonna stop.
Never ever. Still 1 minute.
So here. Good. Let's go. So these are the options that you have: pre-soak, low pressure applied to entire car from bottom to top, tire cleaner, soap, foam brush, color foam conditioner, and wax. So we don't want to spend that much of money because it's snowing outside and there's no use. So what we would be doing, we are doing this foam brush, and after this we'll just use rinse to just wipe it down. So we're just gonna pay $3 for it. But yeah, so it's up to you on what you want. Arshdeep, get on side. Arshdeep, grab this. Fast, man, fast. Grab it. So we have 55 seconds that we can see. And our car looks beautiful now. Sorry, 36 seconds. 35, 34. Arshdeep from the front this side. Matt. So I'm gonna put $2 more because I think we need more time and we also need to wash our mats. There you go. बता देता हूँ. अल्लाह हम 2 मिनट में करना.
कितना टाइम मिला आपका?
2 मिनट.
What? Okay, here's another truck coming in. I think he's also going to wash his truck. Okay, the car looks better now. Bro, car पे अपनी लग ही नहीं रही. Yeah, that's right. This is first time we are washing our car by ourselves, and just $5 till now, and it's pretty good. But we are feeling cold right now. I think -1 outside. So it's not a very good decision to wear slippers while you're washing your car. This guy enjoying right now the showers. I think he didn't had bath today. नाले ब्रो नवे फोन दी क्लैरिटी चेक हो गई. Great job, brother.
There we go, guys. Okay, guys. So I just got to know that we have made a small mistake. We have washed our car, but we forgot to get some cloth to wipe it down. So now what we have to do is we have to dry our car, and the air will help us dry it up.
Yeah, that's smart.
So,
We do smart work, not hard work, right?
but we do dry it. So
Let's see, because they were saying that with a car wash you get free vacuum, right?
So there's something like this Mosmatic, and what is that?
Hey, I don't know what this white lady is saying. Hi everyone, welcome back once again. I am Arshdeep,
And I'm Advait.
and today we are ending our video finally after 2 months because I didn't get time to edit it from last 2 months. Today I decided to edit and spent 4 hours, and now we are making the end of the video, and Advait will tell you what happened in the video.
So guys, in the video you might have seen how we washed our car. Actually it's not that informative, but it's like kind of vlog to like show you how it works around. And one more important thing, this video will be coming up on both of our channels. I have my own channel, he also has a channel. So if it's on my channel, I'll give link for his channel and he'll give link for my channel. So don't forget to subscribe to both of our channels, like this video, and comment your favorite part out of it. And एक और चीज़, एक और गल, ਆਪਾਂ ਤਿੰਨੋਂ ਲੈਂਗੁਏਜਸ ਵਲੌਗ ਬਣਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼, ਹਿੰਦੀ, ਪੰਜਾਬੀ. ਲੈਟ ਅਸ ਨੋ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਪਸੰਦ ਹੈ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ, ਤੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਅਗਲੀ बार ਉਹਦੇ ਵਲੌਗ ਬਣਾਵਾਂਗੇ. इफ़ यू वांट अस टू मेक व्लॉग्स इन इंग्लिश, आप चाहते हैं हम व्लॉग हिंदी में बनाएं या पंजाबी में बनाइए, जस्ट ड्रॉप इट डाउन इन द कमेंट्स.